Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see about conversion of solid model into aerosolid model for the CFD analysis. So aerosolid model is nothing but the model where the airflow is passing through. So in the previous video, I was designed the combustion chamber for the gas turbine. So I will open the model for understanding purpose. This is the typical combustion chamber model. So I will make a cut section for the clear understanding of the model. Okay. So here we can see this is the cut section of the gas turbine combustion chamber typical. So this is not like exact dimensions and all, just for the representation purpose. So here what I made a already air solid model of the atomizer. So in order to convert all in the same format, first I will convert this atomizer into the air solid model. It is in the air solid model, then I need to convert into the solid model, then I will again integrate it with the assembly, then I will convert into the air solid model. Okay, let's first open the atomizer. Okay, here I will do the simple like a sketch uh, edit for this one. Okay, so here what I need to do is like yeah, so I will delete this unwanted part, then you will understand the proper atomizer deletion. Okay, so right now we have like this. So first I will make the offset for this one with 1 mm of thickness. Okay, then I will make the uh, line to connect this part, again line to this part. Okay, this is the one profile is ready to, if you rotate this one, so we can create the 3D model. So now I will make similarly from here to here 1 mm. Okay, I will make the straight line of this one. Plus 1 mm, 82.96. Okay, sorry, again we need to, before completing I made a mistake. First I will measure this dimension. So 10.05, so 11.05, we need to design for the 10.05. Minus 180 degree. Then again we need to do the parallel to this one. Sorry sir, I made a small mistake. I need to draw inline profile with this one. So okay, I need to make the offset inside. Sorry. In this I need to reduce to 10.05. Now we'll make this line. Yeah, now we can delete this one. We will make the offset in this one, then we will get the exact profile. Okay, now I will make the horizontal line. We'll trim it. So we will trim unwanted part to make proper sketch. So here it's fine. Yeah, here we need to delete this one, and this one. Okay. Now we can see, and now I will explain here. So this is like a solid model where we will send the air in this part and liquid in this part. If you rotate this one, you will get the exact three-dimensional rotation of this one. So, okay, let's close sketch. So we will see finish. Okay, we'll delete this one. Okay, revolve from sketch. Axis of revolve is this one. Yeah, now we can see wherever the airflow path is going. So this is the solid model of the atomizer. Okay, previously we can see this was like a fully solid material. Now we made as a like a thin wall kind of arrangement. So here we can see proper aerosol. Now we will check in the combustion chamber assembly. Here also we can see. So now we need to make the mesh wherever the flow path is going. Okay, there is a small error here, so I will do it later after some time.